The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Nelson Mandela. Life is a journey full of twists and turns. We experience joy, love, and success. But we also face challenges, setbacks, and failures. These experiences, though difficult, are an inevitable part of life. They test our resilience, shape our character, and ultimately make us stronger. This essay is a guide for navigating those tough times. It's about finding the strength to pick yourself up, dust yourself off, and keep moving forward. It's about turning setbacks into opportunities for growth and using your experiences to build a brighter future. No matter what challenges you're facing, remember this: you're not alone. We all stumble and fall. What matters is that we rise again, stronger and wiser than before. This is your journey. Embrace it. Setbacks are an inevitable part of life. They are those moments that catch us off guard, disrupting our carefully laid plans and throwing us into a state of uncertainty. They are those unexpected events that not only disrupt our plans but challenge our goals and test our resilience. These moments can come in many forms and at any time. Whether it's a sudden change in our personal lives or professional setbacks, they force us to adapt and rethink our strategies. A setback can be a job loss, a failed relationship, a health issue, a financial struggle, or any event that throws us off our intended course. These events can feel like the end of the world in the moment. Imagine the plans you had suddenly crumbling, leaving you to pick up the pieces and start anew. You lose your job unexpectedly, and the financial security you relied on vanishes, replaced by uncertainty and fear. The routine you were accustomed to is suddenly gone, or picture a relationship ending abruptly, leaving you heartbroken and questioning your worth. These experiences can be emotionally draining and leave us feeling lost and uncertain. The emotional toll can be heavy, making it hard to see a way forward. Setbacks impact us on multiple levels. They can shake our confidence, make us doubt our abilities, and trigger a wave of negative emotions. We might feel overwhelmed, angry, sad, or even numb. It's a natural response to the unexpected. It's crucial to acknowledge these feelings and allow ourselves to grieve the loss of what we had planned or hoped for. Only by facing these emotions can we begin to heal and move forward. In doing so, we open the door to new possibilities and the strength to overcome future challenges. Setbacks often trigger a whirlwind of emotions. These emotions can be complex and multifaceted, making it difficult to navigate through them. We might feel overwhelmed by sadness, anger, fear, or even shame. These feelings can come in waves, sometimes catching us off guard and making us feel out of control. It's crucial to acknowledge these emotions, allowing ourselves to feel them fully without judgment. By recognizing and naming our feelings, we can begin to understand and process them. Suppressing our feelings only prolongs the healing process. When we bottle up our emotions, they can manifest in unhealthy ways, affecting our mental and physical well-being. Give yourself permission to grieve the loss of what you had planned or hoped for. This grieving process is a natural and necessary part of healing. This might involve crying, journaling, talking to a trusted friend or therapist, or engaging in activities that bring you comfort. Each person's way of coping is unique, and it's important to find what works best for you. Remember, healing takes time. Be patient with yourself and avoid comparing your journey to others. Everyone heals at their own pace, and that's perfectly okay. One of the most effective ways to manage emotional responses is to practice self-compassion. This means being kind to yourself, especially during tough times. Treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding you would offer a close friend going through a similar experience. Self-compassion can be a powerful tool in your emotional toolkit. Remind yourself that setbacks are a normal part of life and don't define your worth or potential. They are simply opportunities for growth and learning. Engage in activities that nurture your well-being. These activities can provide a sense of normalcy and joy, helping to lift your spirits. This might include exercise, spending time in nature, pursuing hobbies, listening to uplifting music, or practicing mindfulness and meditation. These activities can help ground you and provide a sense of peace. Taking care of your physical and emotional health provides a solid foundation for navigating challenges and rebuilding your life. By prioritizing self-care, you equip yourself with the resilience needed to face future setbacks with strength and grace. Rebuilding your life after a setback requires a proactive approach. It's not just about bouncing back, but about creating a new path forward. one that is often more resilient and fulfilling. It's about taking charge of your situation, setting new goals, and taking small steps each day to move forward. Each step, no matter how small, is a victory in itself and a testament to your strength and determination. Start by reassessing your priorities and identifying what truly matters to you. This is a time for introspection, to understand what drives you and what you want to achieve in this new chapter of your life. This process might involve revisiting your values, passions, and aspirations. Engage in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment, as they can provide clarity and direction. Set realistic and achievable goals that align with your new direction. These goals should be specific, measurable, and time-bound to keep you focused and motivated. Break down larger goals into smaller, manageable steps. This makes the journey less overwhelming and allows you to celebrate small wins along the way. This approach helps to build momentum and create a sense of accomplishment during your journey. Each small victory reinforces your progress and boosts your confidence. Remember, progress, no matter how small, is still progress. Every step forward, no matter how tiny, is a step towards your ultimate goal. Seek support from your network of family and friends. They can provide emotional support, practical advice, and a sense of belonging during challenging times. Share your experiences, ask for help when needed, and surround yourself with positive influences. Open communication can strengthen your relationships and provide new perspectives. Consider joining support groups or seeking guidance from a therapist or counselor who can provide professional support and coping strategies. Professional help can offer tools and techniques to manage stress and navigate your journey. Cultivate resilience by reframing setbacks as opportunities for growth and learning. Embrace challenges as a chance to develop new skills and insights. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this experience? And how can I use this situation to become stronger and wiser? Reflecting on these questions can turn adversity into a powerful learning experience. Remember, setbacks are not failures. They are stepping stones on the path to success. Each challenge you overcome adds to your resilience and prepares you for future opportunities. If you found these tips helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more useful advice and strategies. Your support helps us create more content to assist you on your journey.